Your sort this week is going to be involving Latin roots, and you have the Latin root bena, which means good, and mal, which means bad. And then you have ante, which means before, and post, which means after. And I'm going to go over the meanings of the words with you and say them for you. Pay attention to the Quizlet this week so that you can get to know what the words mean. So under the category of good, we have benefit. If you have something that benefits you, it's good for you. Benevolent is a person that means to do well. Benefactor is a person who receives something good. A benediction is like a blessing or a prayer. And beneficial means it's good for you. And then under mal, which means bad, we have malfunction. That's if something doesn't work right. A maladroit is a person who is kind of clumsy. Malevolent means a person that means to do evil. Malicious means to do bad things to other people with intent. Malefactor is a person who commits a crime. Malcontent means you're just not happy no matter what. Malice is doing something wrong and knowing that it's wrong. Malaria is a disease that could make you sick or even cause you to die. And dismal just means like a bad day. If the weather is bad or cloudy and rainy, we say it's dismal. And then we have words that have ante and post. So again, this means before and this means after. So antebellum means before a war, could be any war, Civil War, Revolutionary War. Anterior is the front of something. Antimeridian has to do with the time. So when we say it's 9 a.m., that means before noon. So antimeridian is actually short for the a.m. that we see when we tell time. And then antedate is to precede something in time or before something in time. And then post, we have postpone, and that is to put something off until later. Postbellum means after a war. We have posterior, which is the back of something. We have postscript, which is some words that are written at the end of a book. Postmortem means after death, and postmeridian is the PM that you see when we tell time. It's after 12 noon. So that postmeridian is the opposite of antimeridian as far as time goes, AM and PM that we see when we tell time. So we know the difference between day and night. So those are your Latin root words, and remember to pay attention to the meanings of the words when you do Quizlet.